So Samsung has released the official Android 10 update for 3 more smartphones. Yeah, the Galaxy A7 2018, the Galaxy A6 2018, and the Galaxy A80. So finally, Samsung is rolling out the Android 10 updates to its older phones. But I think it would be the last official Android update for the A7 2018 and the A6 2018 because they both are about 2 years old now. And if you don't know, Samsung gives the major Android firmware updates to its phones for about 2 years, and after that you won't be getting any major Android updates from Samsung. But anyways, that's the screenshot of the Galaxy S7 2018 getting the latest Android 10 update from Samsung. That's the version number of the update. The size is around 1.3 gigs, and as for the security patch, that's March 2020, which it's the latest one. You will also get the new and improved version of the One UI, which is now the One UI 2.0. It's a polished and improved version of the previous version with a lot of minor UI changes. And I don't have a screenshot for the Galaxy S6 2018 and the Galaxy A80, but the update is rolling out on these version numbers, and we'll expand to other variants soon, and you will get all the same features like the A7 2018 on the Galaxy S6 and the A80, like the new navigation gestures, a new improved version of the dark mode, and all the basic Android 10 features that you get on any other Android 10 update. So yeah, as always, it's a staged rollout, which means that you have to wait for a week or so to get the update notification on your A7, A6 2018 or the A80, or you may get the update earlier depending upon the phone variant number and the region you are living in. But you can also check it manually by going to settings and then software update menu. So yeah, the update is official. It's rolling out almost worldwide now, and soon your A7, A6 or the A80 will be running on the latest Android 10. So that was it from my side. If you like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe my channel for more further and future updates, comment what you guys think about it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.